Today, I'm here in the Meadows neighborhood in Castle Rock, Colorado at my newest listing, 3238 Sellman Loop. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and is packed full of features I'm really excited to share with you. When you first come in the home, you'll notice we have these double height ceilings with plenty of windows let in natural light. You have the garage entry, which has a really nice mudroom. This is a great bedroom you can use for a home office, or you can also use it for a guest bedroom. And the reason I think that'd be a great option is because you come down here in the hallway a little bit more and you have a full bath. So here we are in one of my favorite parts of the house, the kitchen. Look at this space here. All right, let's talk about all the features this kitchen has. We've got incredible cabinets with really great hardware on there. We've got stainless steel appliances throughout, and then look at this island. It's large and extended. It has 3 decorative pendant lights as well. We've got a double sink on this side over here. There's a great gas 4-burner stove and oven, microwave, and then even more counter space as we go through here. I mean, I can just imagine cooking, you would never run out. You could cook so many things here and really entertain a lot as well. One thing I also love about this is you've got plenty of space for bar stools. We're showing 3 here, but you could easily fit 5 or 6. So right off the kitchen, we come here into the living room. And one thing I love about the design of this home is that it's right here. It's very open. You know, we all know everybody likes to hang out in the kitchen anyway. So if you are entertaining and having people over, this just flows really nicely and you don't feel like you have to be separate from anyone. Then one thing I really appreciate about the home too is these large windows. We've got 3 over here, and we've got walkout over here with a sliding glass door where you have 2 smaller windows to just let in a little bit of extra light. Then right from this living room area, we come into the dining room. We have this 6 chairs. You could easily put a larger table in here, have plenty of room for any kind of family gatherings or any other thing you want to do, a game night, something like that. Right outside the sliding glass door, we have a covered patio deck. We've got 9-foot ceilings throughout the main area. In addition, they put these 8-foot tall doors that really makes it feel more open and bigger as well. And over here, you can go down to the basement. It's a full basement, unfinished. Okay, we're up here at the top of the stairs here, and you can notice immediately this really great loft area over here. So many uses that you could do for this. You could have some desks for kids, especially if you homeschool, that would be great. You could have this be another TV eating area. I know a lot of people like to have it be a playroom as well, so very versatile space. Right next to it, you've got this incredible laundry room. You can just see how big this is. And beyond that, you've got built-in shelves at the end for plenty of storage. As we come down the hallway here, we actually have a second furnace. So this home has a furnace on the main level and the upper level. Coming down here is the bathroom, which I love this bathroom because it's got double sinks. Again, if you've got kids, that's perfect. And then if you go beyond that, it's got its own separate door for the toilet and the shower area. So you can have people getting ready, showering at the same time. We have our second bedroom here, and then at the end of the hallway is the 3rd bedroom, and this is an oversized extended bedroom. A lot of things you could do there. 2 kids could easily share a bedroom. You could also have 2 home offices and desks as well. Okay, here we are in the master bedroom. I mean, just look at this place. It's really large. You can see we've got 3 windows here, and then in addition, as always, we've got 2 extra ones to let in some extra natural light. Up here, we've got a coffered ceiling and a chandelier. This really just feels very serene. You come home after a hard day's work, you know, and you can just kind of relax in here. So here's the ensuite bathroom for the master bedroom, 5 pieces, and we're gonna start over here. You got a separate area for the toilet. And then coming over here, you can see we've got the shower with a nice bench built in as well. The tile extends and wraps around the bathtub here, and then we have double sinks. One that's really great about this as well, we've got a walk-in closet right off of here, and then it has its own private linen closet as well. But let's talk about the neighborhood. Just within 5-minute walking distance, there are 3 pocket parks. One has a playground for kids with all kinds of things they can climb on and crawl around. There's another one with another playground, pavilion, and some field area. And then a third one also has a great field area, but also some built-in cornhole boards, which is great. You can just take some bags up there and have some fun. Also the Meadows, it's one of the most desirable communities here in Castle Rock. You've got some great shops up front, stores, restaurants as well. And you could even probably walk there from this home, which is great on a nice summer evening if the weather's good. You also have, the Meadows has trails throughout. And so you can bike. We've got some off-road at Ridgeline trails that are single track back there. You can do hiking back there. This location offers so much convenience. We've got the outlets as well that's great to get to if you need to get to downtown Castle Rock for the events, all the community things they do there. You can get there within 15 minutes as well. So not only is this convenient location-wise, has access to a lot, it really gives you a lifestyle that is homey and feels like you're really here in Colorado. So if you are interested in getting a private showing of this home, please contact me. All my information will be down below.